There's one more. Morning, everybody. We're out here at Kalkaska. Me and the girl on the CRF. She just climbed a decent hill. And we're about to go ride some trail, and she's gonna climb it again. That's the way to get to the trail, so. She zipped right up it last time, so. There she is. Hey, all right.
Hey, it's Jeff, welcome back. I wanted to put that hill climb in here because I'm super proud of my girlfriend. She had a big accident last year on her other bike, and she's been killing it this year on the CRF. She's really progressing well. She's just been attempting everything, and I was super proud of her. So this video is of a camping ride we did out of Kalkaska. We had a great time, tons of fun, minus that this trail is trying to constantly kill me all the time. I'll drop a link here from my first visit at Kalkaska where I looped my bike and went down like 2 or 3 times.
There's one more.
I don't know what it is, hidden trees,
right.
corners coming out of nowhere, 4-wheelers. This trail's just like my kryptonite. As far as the trail report, it was great the day we rode. It was a little dry, but usually I'm a good distance ahead of her, so she doesn't really have to deal with my dust much. I do wait for her at the stop signs and crossings, just so you guys aren't worried about her. But not too many whoops for whatever reason. Everyone seems to hate the whoops. Traffic was minimal, and overall it was a great trail for 50 inch, and we will definitely be back. Now, I will mention there was a lot of sand at Kalkaska, more than I remember, but I didn't seem to have any problem with it. I love sand, doesn't bother me a bit. My girlfriend, newer rider, still did pretty good. She commented on the sand, but she seemed to be handling it okay. We rode like 14 miles on this particular ride, and she did great, man. Uphill, downhill. She's a little slow. She's just getting back in it, you know, working on her form and things like that. But here's a prime example of what I mean when I say Kalkaska is trying to kill me for whatever reason. I did not see this corner coming and just hardcore braked into it and couldn't downshift fast enough to get power back on and ride the berm. Just my luck, you know, it's the way it goes. Probably riding above my skill level here a little bit.
Maybe I should
So I'm gonna let this video play out. There will be occasional stops, me giving her tips, me watching her form, following her, things like that. There'll be occasional me almost dying for whatever reason at Kalkaska. And then we're gonna head back to the truck, and that will conclude this ride. There is a second ride this same exact day. I gotta edit it down. I rode with some guys, they were super fast, we had a great time. And I will upload that video next. To put put all this in one video was just going to be too long for the shorter videos that I like to upload. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys like and subscribe if you're enjoying what I'm doing here, and have a great day.
Definitely going back up this hill. There she goes. There you go. Hell yeah. Here she comes. We're gonna see how she does. It's a little bit of a hill, kind of curvy, got some roots and stuff. We're out here at Kalkaska, just working on her skills and stuff, mine too obviously, but yeah, look at her go, standing up. Yep, plowing roots. Hell yeah. What happened?
Neutral.
Oh, she found neutral. It happens to the best of us, especially if you ride a YZ, because every time. Hey, you know what would help with that?
What?
If you should put the balls of your feet, try to keep this part of your foot on the peg, because then you can use your ankle as suspension a little bit.
Okay.
And then you also won't hit the shifter on accident.
It's happened like 4 times now.
Yeah, that's super annoying, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know that happened to you when you first got this bike.
These bikes are kind of known for it, but I don't know if it's like the Shift Star, or I don't know what the deal is, but I don't really ride in first anymore, so it don't matter. But
ball here.
Yeah, because then your ankle becomes suspension also.
Okay.
Yep, and you get more feel, I think, back through the pegs to your feet, so you feel the bike more. And then try to keep your elbows up too.
Okay.
Other than that, look good.
Awesome.
So cool.